BNSF detector. Milepost 57.8. Main 2. System working. Out.
Okay, officer special train. Main track number 3. Westbound, milepost 65. They were talking about a special target train, so that must be it. All right. Let's all give Buddy a big thumbs up for setting that up for us. Nice coordination, Buddy. Good work, as usual. Say hi to all your fans. He's about ready for a drink of water. All right, you guys. Buddy says he loves you, and please subscribe to the channel. Give him a paw up and share with your family and doggy friends. All right, he loves you, and so do I.
BNSF 3786.
And we'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Thanks for watching. Watch a couple more. This is our producer, Buddy. He wants to know why you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. Please hit us up with a like and super thanks. Love you guys. We'll catch you on the next one.